Welcome to the age where becoming a millionaire is a measurable goal that can be attained via hard effort, dedication, and a sound plan. The year 2023 provides limitless prospects for anyone willing to put in the work to achieve financial success. So let's be clear. Becoming a millionaire isn't easy or quick. To attain long-term goals, careful planning, wise investing, and a willingness to make short-term sacrifices are required. If you're ready to commit to accumulating wealth and achieving seven figures, you've come to the correct spot. We'll look at the greatest strategies to become a billionaire in 2023 in this video. Let's start and look at how you may make your millionaire aspirations a reality. Hottest nowadays, the first one is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the process of launching a new firm and taking financial risks to attain success. While not for everyone, entrepreneurship may be a very gratifying method to become a millionaire. Successful entrepreneurs recognize a market need and develop a product or service to fill that need. Innovation is one of the cornerstones of entrepreneurship success. Entrepreneurs must be able to think outside the box to come up with fresh and unique solutions to challenges. They must also be willing to take chances and be determined and persistent for their firm to flourish. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, Tesla, and several other profitable firms, is an example of a successful entrepreneur. Musk has demonstrated the ability to understand market needs and develop unique solutions to address those demands. His businesses are now worth billions of dollars, and he is among the world's wealthiest people. Now, come investing in the stock market. Stock investing can be a fantastic technique to accumulate wealth and become a billionaire. Stocks indicate ownership in a corporation, and their value can rise as a company grows in success. Diversifying your portfolio is one of the keys to successful stock investment. Investors can spread their risk and potentially boost their rewards by investing in a variety of different firms and industries. To stay current on their investments, successful stock investors maintain a careful eye on market movements and news. Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is an example of a successful stock investor. Buffett is well known for his value investing method, which entails investing in cheap companies with high growth potential. Buffett has amassed one of the world's greatest fortunes through his investments. Last but not least, investing in cryptocurrency. It has recently emerged as one of the most popular ways to become a millionaire. The cryptocurrency market has skyrocketed, with Bitcoin reaching an all-time high of $68,789 in November 2021. This has enticed a large number of investors, ranging from retail to institutional, to invest in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, comes with its own set of hazards. Many factors, including government legislation, news events, and technical breakthroughs, might have an impact on the market. As a result, before investing in any cryptocurrency, it is critical to undertake extensive research and analysis. Another risk of investing in cryptocurrency is the possibility of losing money. The cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages, and no cryptocurrency can promise long-term success. As a result, investors should be prepared to lose their entire investment. To be a successful cryptocurrency investor, you must have a long investment horizon and be patient with your investments. Cryptocurrencies are highly speculative investments, with prices impacted by a variety of variables. As a result, it is critical to have a solid understanding of blockchain technology as well as potential uses of cryptocurrencies. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss are two of the most successful Bitcoin investors. They are well known for their early involvement in the establishment of Facebook and the subsequent legal struggle with Mark Zuckerberg. They were early Bitcoin investors and have subsequently become billionaires as a result of their cryptocurrency investments. Their long-term investment plan entails purchasing and keeping cryptocurrency. Aside from Bitcoin, investors might consider investing in a variety of other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, is another appealing investment choice. Ethereum's blockchain technology enables developers to create decentralized applications, which has the potential to disrupt various industries. Other cryptocurrencies gaining popularity among investors include Solana, Tether, Cardano, and Polkadot. Now it takes time, work, and patience to become a millionaire. Anyone, however, can reach this ambition by investing in real estate, starting a business, or investing in stocks. While these are not the only ways to become a millionaire, they are tried and tested approaches that have proven to be effective. The goal is to develop and keep to a strategy that works for you, even when faced with obstacles or disappointments. Everyone may attain financial success and become a millionaire with hard work and determination. Well, this concludes everything about today's topic. Let us know your opinions and questions in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. And for more interesting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.